Hey guys, welcome back to Legendary Beast video. Today is kind of really late. Really late video. For the 3,000 since I hit it like last year. There's Gavin, the basketball gamer over there. Oh.
Basketball killer.
Over there, yeah. Flop your face. Where's Awesome Nick? Awesome Nick, come here. Awesome Nick, come here. Awesome Nick, come here. Alright, so thank you guys for thank you guys for thank you guys for 3,000 subscribers, guys. I really appreciate it, guys.
Oh, they spilled me? Sorry.
No, I spilled and this is a video that you guys really like currently. Thank you very much for liking this video. We have a lot of likes, a lot of comments by a lot of people. And the most recent comment is from Awesome Nick. Cool video. Yes. So we're gonna check out more. Check out the channel. Alright, this is the recent video. So this is the basketball video. So make sure to check out this video. Subscribe to him. Thank you very much, John. Subscribe to John, guys. And also just to add it here today. And so I added a subscribe now, and my new logo. Stop.
I'm an idiot, sorry.
So talk. So me and Gavin here.
I'm an idiot.
No, you're not. Let's show him. Let's show my viewers, your viewers too. You know.
Your viewers.
Well, our viewers, since he watches our videos together. And Awesome Nick over here. Peekaboo. And so let's see. If you write legendary Gamer X, you'll see the channel. For those that are new. And I updated my website. And now, go and check it out, guys. My little logo for Legendary Beast. And recently, I've used, so yeah. Let you guys read it. Okay, go get it. Okay, guys. Thank you for the beat. And we got ads recently now on our website. So yeah. Wow. Alright. Yes. Let's head move this here. Let's head back. Move this right up here. Let's see. Let's see now. Let's see. Live sub count is this is Legendary Gamer X. Legendary Gamer X is my old name.
Donc aujourd'hui, vous allez avoir une caméra la semaine prochaine pour finaliser le tout.
Thank you, guys.
Ok?
Ok, madame.
Ça devrait être assez?
Oui.
See you next video. Goodbye. Bye.
Peace out.